So if you got an SSD on your computer and you think your PC is already running at its best, well, hold on, because there are simple trick that can unlock even more speed and make your computer fly, and even this will increase the life of your SSD. So make sure guys you watch the video till the end. This can be really very useful for you, and I will show you right now on my computer that how exactly it works and what kind of difference it make. And before starting guys, I will do a quick test, a quick benchmark using this free utility called AS SSD benchmark. You can easily download from the internet, and on the top you can see I'm using the C consistent 2.5 SSD. So in order to test, I will click on start and it will start testing the read and write speed. So let's wait until it's all been done so that I can show you that what kind of result I'm getting as of now before applying the tweak. Alright, so the test has been completed, and as of now, without optimizing anything, you can see the read speed I'm getting is around 488. The write speed is of 465. Keep this figure in your mind, and now let's start with optimization. So the free tool that we have to use is by the name SSD Booster. So bring up any of your browser and search for ssdbooster.net. Then you have to look for this website, download ssdbooster.net edition by Major Geeks. It's available on the Major Geek website. Then you have to click on download now. Then it says downloading ssdbooster.net edition. And it's a small tool, so it will be quickly downloaded. Now before running it, click on the downloaded folder. And we have the tool now, SSD Booster. Now before going ahead and optimizing the SSD, I would also recommend you to be safe side. What you can do, you can create a restore point. In case if you are not okay and satisfied with the result, you can quickly revert the action. Okay, so in order to create a restore point, click on your Windows search, type restore, click on create a restore point. Then below you have to click on create. Type a restore point name that you can easily identify when exactly you create it. I will type here SSD Booster and click on create. And very quickly the restore point will be created. Once done, now we're good to go. So I will right click on the SSD Booster and click run as admin so that it can work without any kind of problem. Alright, so now you will be getting this kind of dashboard of SSD Booster. Very simple to operate, nothing much, nothing complicated. Now I'm also bringing up the SSD benchmark tool, and on the right hand side you can see the result that I got now without optimizing. Now let's move with the optimization here, and on the very top you can see it says kernel paging executive, and when you hover up on the question mark, it will let you know what exactly you have to do and what exactly it does. So here it says disable the write intensive executive kernel paging, off is recommended. So basically whatever option you are getting here in the pink color or in the red color, you have to make it green. Alright, so the first option it says off recommended. So I can click on this on and it will be off here and it's green. Then we have last access timestamp and it says disable writing. I will also off it. Boot file defragment, disable automatic boot file defragment, and this is exactly not required for the SSD. So I will also turn it off. Prefetch, superfetch not required. Disable caching and preloading of frequently. So I will also disable it. 8.3 name creation, disable short naming convention for legacy programs. Also go ahead and disable it. Thumbnail cache, it's also asking to disable. I will disable it. Search indexing, not required. Go ahead and disable it. Make it off. Event logging, disable recording of system event log. I will also disable it. Hibernate, however I'm using a laptop here, but still I don't want to go with this option and I want to keep my SSD with the best performance, so I will also disable it as recommended. Trim support is asking to keep it enabled, which is already on, so just don't touch it. Drive optimization, keep it to default, whatever has been selected. Alright, now you can see all the options are being green here. So here we have applied all the changes. Now next, at the bottom only, click on the setting gear icon. Then it will show you the temperature, that what is the temperature. And on the right side of it, it says optimize system drive. Click on optimize system drive and it will start optimizing your drive, so you will have to wait. And once the optimization will be completed, now you are completely done with the optimization, boosting your SSD. But in case if you get any message of fail, then don't worry. Either you can ignore it or you can restart the computer and try this option again. So let me check in this position only that what kind of difference it has made. Then I will come to the SSD benchmark and again I will start the test and see that what kind of difference it has made. And here we go. So you can see clearly the difference now. The read speed that we were getting earlier around 488, now it's around 510 MB per second. The write speed that was around 465 or 460 I guess, now it's around 477. So that's really a good difference that we have made in terms of the performance, and even the health and the life of your SSD will be boosted. And I'm pretty sure once you restart the computer, you may notice the more changes and even in the performance. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will found this tool really useful for your SSD. And if you like the video guys, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.